The long O sound is a fascinating aspect of the English language, and it appears in many words we use every day. Let's dive into some examples that showcase the sound, making it both educational and fun. First, let's consider the word go. It's simple yet powerful, often used to indicate movement. Then there's no, a word that can express refusal or disagreement. Both of these words are foundational in communication. Next, we have so, which can mean very or indicate a conclusion. It's often used in phrases like, I'm so excited. Moving on, do is another essential word, especially when we talk about actions. Now, let's explore some nouns. Home is a place of comfort and belonging. Bone refers to the hard structures in our bodies, while stone can be a natural rock or a term for something solid. Then there's phone, which has become a vital part of our daily lives. And who can forget zone? It refers to a specific area, whether it's a time zone or a sports zone. Let's not overlook mole, which can refer to a small burrowing animal or a skin mark. And tome, a word for a large book, often used in literary discussions. We can also think of rose, the beautiful flower that symbolizes love. Code is crucial in programming and communication, while mode refers to a particular way of doing something. How about broke? It can mean being out of money or something that is damaged. Tote is a fun word for carrying something, often used in the context of bags. Now, let's look at some more playful examples. Foam is that light, airy substance we often find in our favorite drinks. Gloat means to brag or boast, often at someone else's expense. And then there's loathe, which expresses a strong dislike. Scone, a delightful baked good, often enjoyed with tea, also fits the bill. Let's not forget dome, which refers to a rounded roof or structure, often seen in architecture. Roam is a word that evokes a sense of wandering or exploring freely. We can also explore bowl, which is a dish used for serving food. Coal, a fossil fuel, has been significant in energy production. Goal is a target we aim for, whether in sports or in life. Words like troll can refer to mythical creatures or online behavior. Scroll is something we do on our devices to navigate through content. Stole is the past tense of steal, while whole means complete or entire. Role refers to a part played in a situation, whether in theater or life. Let's not forget soul, which often refers to the essence of a person or spirit. Pole can mean a long, slender object or refer to the North or South Pole. And then there's vowel, a key component of our language, essential for forming words. Flow refers to a sheet of floating ice, often seen in colder climates. Finally, tome and foe round out our list, with foe meaning an enemy or adversary. These words not only illustrate the long O sound, but also enrich our vocabulary. Each example brings its own nuance and meaning, showcasing the beauty and complexity of the English language. The long O sound is everywhere, and recognizing it can enhance our understanding and appreciation of words.